Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Magnified. मेरा नाम है राजीव माकनी. I'm hoping all of you are doing okay and most importantly, all of you are being very caring about each other and you're putting in that extra effort to also have a lot of information and knowledge. I hope आप triple check कर रहे हैं every information that you receive and before you actually forward it, you check it. WhatsApp और social media जो है is not a university. आप ज़रूर triple check करिए everything before you share it ahead. Now, in this video, going to take a quick first look at the spiritual successor to easily the king of budget smartphones from last year. Matlab, the Nord was the absolute king. This is the OnePlus Nord CE 5G. I'm going to do lots of things on this. I'm going to tell you what's the difference between this one and the original Nord. मैं आपको बताऊंगा what CE stands for, why there is a price difference between this, why this is priced lower, क्या ये stripped down version of the original Nord, is it got more, is it got less. I'm going to tell you if you gain or lose if you buy the CE over the original Nord. Importantly, मैं आपको बताऊंगा who this phone is absolutely right for and how does it stack up against other phones at this price. So lots to do, लेकिन from here onwards I'm going to be doing much shorter videos, so I'll actually come to all of it within minutes. So stick around till the end. Let's start with this. What does the CE stand for? Core Edition. अब बात करते हैं about the looks. हाँ, it pretty much looks like the OnePlus Nord, which is a good thing. मतलब I don't like these large, जो एक नया शुरू हुआ है, दौर शुरू हुआ है ना, तो jutting out कैमरा मॉड्यूल्स में बहुत सटल है. तो ओरिजिनल OnePlus Nord जो है, it had a very pretty, very balanced design. और जो CE 5G है, it carries it forward. How do you know you're looking at the CE 5G and not the regular Nord? आप इसके पीछे देखेंगे, इसमें 3 कैमरास हैं and the flash is not aligned at the top. Plus, blessed be all that is right with this world, क्योंकि you can actually spot a 3.5mm headphone jack. Yes. Now the design is good looking, very slim, feels very good to hold and use. Like I said, बहुत पतला phone है ये. You get a great AMOLED panel. ये सपोर्ट करता है very fast 90 Hz refresh rate, gets bright enough for outdoor usage also, so that's the good part out here. जो audio है इसमें of the speakers is okay, it's quite loud, doesn't splutter at very loud volume, so that works very well. Performance wise इसको थोड़ा जो है they've actually done a great job again. You can say thank you to the Snapdragon 750G chipset. You can also say thank you to the RAM options out here that you have and to Oxygen OS, which is very smooth. अब जो OnePlus के फोन्स हैं ना, उनको कोई गेमिंग फोन नहीं कहता, लेकिन कोई ये भी नहीं कंप्लेन करता that you cannot play a particular game on any of the devices. They just work well with performance. Flagship हो या budget, multitasking is very smooth. Everyday tasks like calls, texting, browsing, social media हो, playing with video editing, gaming and piling on heavy filters on photos and apps like Photoshop, they all run very very smooth. मैंने ये सब कुछ try करके देख लिया, works very well. एक और benefit है of the 750G, battery optimization. जो battery it doesn't get sipped away, very frugal the way it actually uses the battery, and the battery size has been increased in this, so that's another big bump up. इसमें है 4500 mAh की battery with support for the trusted old Warp Charger 30T. Top-ups जो हैं very quick, drains are slow, so you can actually get to run it into a second day. Like I said, camera module जो है उसको थोड़ा उन्होंने shuffle किया है. जो dedicated macro lens है ना, it has been removed. Thank God for that. I hope other companies also do it. So Nord CE 5G now has 3 truly usable cameras on the back. एक 64 megapixel की primary lens है, so they bumped it up, which is really good. The UI is not piled up with too many filters and other such things. Mostly point and shoot है. It delivers. You get really good, very artistic low light and night shots. Just use it very stable कर दीजिए and use Nightscape. You'll get great stuff. Video capture also very good. Quality of slow-mo videos has been very good since the OnePlus 7 or so, and this shows in this phone. Wide angle, इसमें अच्छी बात यह है कि कोई major corner edge distortion नहीं मिली हमको, कोई loss नहीं था of sharpness at the edge also, so it's not noticeable at all. ये काफ़ी rare है for any phone at this price point because wide angle में ये problems आती हैं, इसमें नहीं है. Third lens is a depth camera. आपको मैं कुछ portrait images दिखा रहा हूँ, you can actually see what it does. It does a pretty good job. Front camera जो है इस टाइम है 16 मेगापिक्सल का, काफ़ी balanced है in terms of color and sharpness. So overall, I was quite happy with this phone in terms of camera performance. Now, who is this phone for? See, if you want a really good looking phone, slim, that does all the things that a phone needs to do and does them all very well, then this is a very good choice now. It's got a lot more going for it, and now it's at a lower price. Clean, slim looks, good screen, you get optimized performance, much better camera performance now, very good battery life, and you get the very clean software जो OnePlus में आपको हमेशा मिलता है. That's great for a budget phone at this price point. There are many phones at this price point, but I'll tell you why I like this phone. This is something that it has that others don't. Consistency जो है ना across all features is very important. You have to remember why the original Nord was such a runaway hit, because वो सब कुछ अच्छा करता था. The CE is a way better phone at a lower price. Now, why don't the Nord owners amongst all of you share their experience जो है comment section में आपको मेरे को आप ज़रूर बताइए. I've only been able to use this for 2 or 3 days, so your long-term stories can be very helpful. And of course, another thing that will be very helpful, जो अपना OCD level है of care and protection for yourself and everyone around, keep that going. I'll see you in the comment section below.